Hi, my name is Teacher Rowena, and you are? Okay, your name is Luna. Wow, what a beautiful name. So, Luna, our lesson for today is all about, can all birds fly? Okay, let's see. Can all birds fly? Okay, what animals do you like? So, among those pictures that you see, what animals do you like? Is it the monkey, the lion, the elephant, the giraffe, the magpie, the dog, or the cat? So, what animals did you like, Luna? Okay, this one, the elephant. So, you like elephant. Okay, let's proceed. So, what birds is it? Okay, what bird is it? Okay, it is a magpie. What bird is it? Is it a magpie? So this is a magpie. Okay. So this was the look likes of magpie. So this was the magpie looks like. So this is a magpie. Okay, next. So how many magpies did you see in the picture? Okay, there are two magpies in the picture. So there are two magpies in the picture. So next is this one. How many magpies did you see in the picture? Okay, there are four magpies. So, uh, can we count? So, let's count. One, two, three, four. So, there are four magpies in the picture. So, magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Okay, so click and find all the magpies. So, Luna, can you click and find all the magpies? Okay, very good. So, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Very good. Those are the magpies. Okay, very good. So, magpies are birds can fly. Okay, magpies are birds can fly. So, magpies is a bird that can fly. Okay, magpies are birds can fly. Okay, so let's proceed. So, what bird is it? Okay, a penguin. What bird is it? A penguin. Okay, so this was the penguin looks like. Okay, this is a penguin. This was the penguin looks like. Okay, very good. So, how many penguins did you see in the picture? Okay, there are two penguins in the picture. So, the mother and the child. So, there are two penguins in the picture. So, next is okay. Penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Okay, so penguins are kind of a bird. Okay, so find the correct penguin's wings. Okay, so let's see, Luna. So among those three pictures, where is the penguin's wing? So among those three, where is the penguin's wing? Is it the first picture, the second, or the third? Okay, very good. The third one. This was the penguin's wing. Very good. Okay, so penguins are birds that cannot fly. Okay, so penguins is a kind of a bird, but they cannot fly. Penguins are birds that cannot fly. Okay, so penguin is also a kind of a bird, but they cannot fly. Not like in magpie. Magpie is a bird also, but they can fly. Penguins is a bird also, but they cannot fly. But they are both kind of a bird. Okay, they are both birds. Okay, now birds. So this was the kind of a birds. So magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly, but magpies is a bird. Penguin is a bird too, but magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, so meaning in all kinds of birds, there are birds can fly and there are also birds that cannot fly, but they are both kind of a bird. Okay, very good. So now please answer questions in complete sentences. Okay, so first, can penguin fly? Okay, no, they cannot fly. Very good. Second, are magpies birds? Yes, of course, magpies is a kind of a bird. Okay, so do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Can you give me some example, Luna? Okay, very good. Ostrich. Ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. Yes, another one. Okay, duck. The duck. Okay, duck is a kind of a bird that cannot fly. And yes, chicken is also a kind of a bird that cannot fly. Very good. Okay, so you did a great job, Luna. Thank you for participating. Okay, so I think this is the end of our lesson and see you when I see you again, Luna. Thank you for participating and you did a great job. So bye. Thank you.